Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speed English. I'm Maya, and today I will share 5 easy tips to help you speak English with more confidence. Do you understand English but find it hard to speak? Don't worry. Many English learners have the same problem. The good news is that you do not need perfect grammar or lots of difficult words to speak good English. You only need good practice habits. Let's start with tip number 1. Tip number 1, think in English. Many learners first think in their own language and then translate into English. This takes time and makes speaking difficult. Try to think directly in English instead. Start with simple thoughts. When you are outside, think, the weather is nice today. When you are eating, think, this food is delicious. Use simple sentences. Doing this every day will help your brain use English naturally. Now let's go to tip number 2. Tip number 2, speak English every day. Many people spend a lot of time reading and listening, but they do not speak enough. Speaking is a skill, and skills improve with practice. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your room. Talk about your day. Say what you are doing while cooking, studying, or working. Even 5 minutes of speaking practice every day can help you improve. Do not wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking now, and you will get better over time. Now, for tip number 3. Tip number 3, learn phrases, not only words. Many students learn single words, but native speakers often use phrases. For example, instead of learning only the word hungry, learn I'm really hungry. Instead of learning only the word busy, learn I'm a bit busy right now. Learning phrases helps you speak more naturally and use English right away in conversations. Now let's look at tip number 4. Tip number 4, copy native speakers. This method is called shadowing. Choose a short English video, podcast, or audio recording. Listen to one sentence and repeat it immediately. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. At first, it may be difficult, but if you practice regularly, your pronunciation and speaking speed will improve. YouTube videos, movies, and podcasts are great for this practice. Now, for our final tip, tip number 5, don't be afraid of mistakes. This is the most important tip today. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes, so they stay silent. But mistakes are a normal part of learning. Think about children learning their first language. They make many mistakes before they can speak well. Every mistake helps you learn something new. So don't fear mistakes. Learn from them and keep speaking. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Before we finish, let's review today's tips. Number 1, think in English. Number 2, speak English every day. Number 3, learn phrases, not only words. Number 4, copy native speakers. Number 5, don't be afraid of mistakes. If you practice these tips regularly, your English speaking skills will improve faster than you think. Thank you very much for watching. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson from Speed English. I'm Maya, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English every day. Bye for now.